day everyone. I have a water leak from the corrugation. Water flows from the lower joint of the corrugation and the teeth, right here. At the top joint of the corrugation, everything is fine. The most interesting thing is that water starts to flow when you turn on the faucet in the kitchen. Easiest way to fix a leak is to cover the joint with liquid silicone. But there is also a second, more reliable option, and now I will show it. I took an ordinary plastic bag, cut out a piece of the bag, bought silicone. We open the silicone and put a mesh on the bag. Next, you need to turn off the water on the riser, dry the corrugation joint with a hair dryer. Now we apply silicone around the circumference of the corrugation joint. We apply it very carefully. Next, we take the processed cellophane and wrap it around the circumference of the corrugations. Further, for lasting reliability, I wrap the cellophane with aviation rubber. We wait 3-4 hours for the silicone to dry, and then we can test the corrugation for leaks. If this method does not help, change the corrugation to a new one. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.